today we will be talking about what type of internet should we have and the minimum speed. Connie here, and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. Now, this channel is about having an online business in the virtual assistant industry, and this is for people who are looking forward to be a VA and also wanting to have or thinking about having a VA. So if you are interested in those topics, I invite you to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and make sure to like this video if you think this is valuable. And of course, don't forget to browse through the channel so that you can learn more about the virtual assistant industry. Now, on the topic. As a start, an entrepreneur who decides to have an online business, of course, should have an internet. How can we call it online business if we don't have internet, right? The questions are, what type of internet should you choose and what is the minimum speed? The answer really, what type of internet is, I highly recommend to have a wired fiber internet connection. As much as possible, that is the type of internet you must choose. Now, the second option is to have a wired internet, whether it's DSL or broadband, as long as it's wired. And the last option is wireless. And as much as possible, we should avoid having one. We can use a wireless for backup, and we will talk about that later on this video. That's the type of internet that we should use. When it comes to brand or telco services, I won't recommend anything as long as they can provide the internet service that you need, because the most reliable connection will be dependent on your location. So the first thing you must do is to ask around the people around you, your neighbors. Ask them if they're using an internet and what type of internet, who are the internet service providers, and what is the speed. Is the connection good or is not good, or is it bad? So you have to inquire and check your location. If you are staying in one place, that's the first thing that you must do. Now, when it comes to the minimum speed of the internet, I suggest to have at least 1 Mbps. Now, that's a start. It really depends on the task or the skills that you are pursuing. So if you are into videos, I would highly suggest that you upgrade the speed. You can start at 1 Mbps, but you must increase the speed because you will be uploading and downloading so many files, and you need as much speed as possible. So again, to answer your question, you should prefer fiber. Second option is DSL. Actually, any wired internet connection would do, or broadband. But the last option is wireless. Okay. Now, the minimum speed should be 1 Mbps. You can have a slower internet as long as you're using it to download or upload any files for your clients, because this internet speed is necessary. And if you are having video meetings with clients, you need at least 1 Mbps of internet speed. Okay. Now here is another tip. You should have a backup internet. Why is that? Because here in the Philippines, as you can see, we only have at least 2 seasons, and one is rainy season and one is summer. So during the rainy season, we know that we have some challenges. So it's better to have a backup internet, but you don't need to purchase those monthly internet sort of postpaid plan internets, but you can use prepaid one or pocket Wi-Fi. These are just for backups. If you are looking for another option as a backup, what you can always do is go to the internet cafe or to a coffee shop that has, or to a hotel that has a faster internet speed. Now, I'm sharing this with you because I want you to know that internet is part of your online business. So make sure that you invest some money on it, and make sure that if you have a video conference or video call with your clients, make sure not only you have a speed internet, but of course also you have a good background. So I hope you like this video. And if you have some questions, do post them in the comments below. If you have some feedback, and if you want other topics to be discussed, share them in the comments below. I'd like to hear from you. So thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Bye!